Today, everyone, I am Miguel de Nuevas. I interview my grandmother about our weekly budget. How much is our weekly budget?
8,000 is our budget. 2,000 for food and groceries.
Our weekly budget is 2,000 per week. 8,000 divided by 4 plus 2,000 per week. 1,000 for food supplies and 1,000 for groceries.